Let's learn with Coco and Crew. Hi, Crew. Are you ready to learn with me?
A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for eagle. F is for frog. G is for grapes. H is for hat. I is for ink. J is for jungle. K is for key. L is for lamp. M is for monkey. N is for net. O is for orange. P is for panda. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for van.
And U is for wolf.
X is for X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra.
You did a good job. You learning all the letters. That was excellent. See you next time, Crew. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun videos.